Welcome to this tutorial on string interpolation in PowerShell. String interpolation is a powerful feature that allows you to embed variable values directly inside your strings. This makes your code cleaner and easier to read compared to concatenating strings manually. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand how to include variable values inside quoted strings dynamically. String interpolation lets you include variable values directly inside string literals. Instead of building strings by joining pieces together, you can simply place your variables right where you want them in the text. PowerShell evaluates these variables and replaces them with their actual values. This allows you to create dynamic content that changes based on the data stored in your variables. When you use double quotes in PowerShell, variable interpolation is enabled automatically. In this example, we create a variable called $name and assign it the value Alice. Then we create another variable called $greeting with the text hello, $name exclamation mark. Notice that $name is written inside the double quoted string. PowerShell will recognize this as a variable reference. When we display the $greeting variable, PowerShell replaces $name with its actual value. The output is hello, Alice exclamation mark. The variable was automatically expanded and its value was inserted into the string. This is the power of string interpolation with double quotes. It makes creating dynamic messages simple and intuitive. Now let's see what happens when you use single quotes instead of double quotes. We still have our $name variable set to Alice. But this time, we create $literal using single quotes with the same text hello, $name exclamation mark. Single quotes treat everything as literal text. PowerShell does not perform any variable expansion inside single quoted strings. When we display the $literal variable, the output is exactly hello, $name exclamation mark. The $name is not replaced. It appears as literal text because we used single quotes. This is useful when you actually want to display variable names or special characters without PowerShell interpreting them. Remember, double quotes expand variables, single quotes preserve them as text. Sometimes you need to embed more than just a simple variable. You might want to include the result of a calculation or expression. For this, you use subexpressions. A subexpression is written as $sign followed by parentheses containing your expression. Here we have two variables, $x equals 10 and $y equals 20. We create $result with the text sum is followed by open parenthesis $x plus $y close parenthesis. The expression inside the parentheses is evaluated first. When we display $result, PowerShell calculates 10 plus 20, which equals 30, and inserts that value into the string. The output is sum is 30. Subexpressions allow you to embed any PowerShell expression inside a string, including arithmetic operations, method calls, or property access. This gives you tremendous flexibility when building dynamic strings. Just remember to wrap your expression in $sign and parentheses inside your double-quoted string.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.